Let us see how to set up a simple TypeScript project in vscode. First command that you need to execute is npm init-y. So this is gonna create a simple package.json file for you in the directory, and this is how it is gonna look like. Next command you need to execute is npm install typescript ts-node-dev and --save dev. So we have to install these dependencies typescript and ts node dev. So these dependencies are dev dependencies that we have. These dependencies are dev dependencies. That's why we have passed save dev flag. You can also pass dash capital D flag instead of dash save dev. These are development dependencies. That means they are required for building the project, but not for running the project. Next command you need to run is npx tsc-init. So this is gonna create this tsconfig.json file where all the TypeScript compiler options can be specified. Then we are going to create the directory called as source, in which we are going to put the source files. Then we are creating this index.ts, that is the entry point for our application. And then we are putting these scripts inside the package.json file. Okay, so if you look at the package.json, we have got these scripts. So here we have got three scripts: build, start, and dev. In this build, we are executing tsc command. So with the tsc, what happens is that we are type checking our code and we are converting the TypeScript files into JavaScript files. Those JavaScript files will be dumped to the dist directory based upon the tsconfig.json file. So in the tsconfig, you will find this property out direct where we have specified dist. It means that JS files will be put into this particular directory. And then we have got this dev. So ts node dev, this particular command is gonna launch our application, and then whenever we make any changes to the files and save those changes, it is gonna restart our application. That means it is gonna execute this index.ts once again. So this is how the typical ts config file looks like. We have compiler options, target ES6 module, common.js, out directory dist, root directory /src, and there are several other options here. So if you want to build the project, you can execute npm run build. If you want to start your application, npm run start. If you want to develop the application, npm run dev. This is how you can execute these commands.